Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ben. Today we are going to look at how to retrieve the information that we saved on our database. You will be introduced to what we call Laravel collections, and now we'll create a good table that will show the details, and then we'll add links to edit and delete. So can't wait to start. If you've not subscribed, remember, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button as we now the second video to the last of this series. So thank you. Let's proceed. So we were able to save this information to the database, and now we'll go and link the backend and the front end of our application. So we'll retrieve the data, and this data can have user details and all, and then we can just come here and show this data here. So if I do just do print r, let me just do PHP, and just say print r data. We need to do this only when it's not empty, okay? Let's remove this from here. And on our controller, which loads our welcome page, we actually don't have a controller that loads that, so it'll go back to our web. Instead of returning the view, we can return a controller. So inside this user controller, we can have our show method. So public function show. Don't name them like this, it's bad practice. Mention them, so like show users, show details, okay? So then you can return view. The view that you want is welcome, and it should like have data, which is that one. That then we need to go to our web route and change it from returning something to being an object of its own. It's going to be user details controller, and you have class, and what you want to return is show. So let's go back. As you can see, we have a lot of information here that does not make sense to you right now. This information that you can see here is now a Laravel collection of the information that is already saved on the database. If you look keenly, you will see that we have information like updated at, we have full names here, and that's basically what we would like to show. So let's create a simple table that will help us to show this data, okay? So I'll just come here, I'll remove this. Yeah, so we can just use for each. So I'll just say if, like if, so that you can end it. Again, I'll do if is set, or Laravel has something called unless, makes sure that it's available. So let me just do data, unless this data, or if this data, we can just do at for each. Actually, before that, let me just do a table. Sorry for that. Let me just do a table, and we'll have table head, and we need like 3. Yeah, so let me just do 4. So 4 of them, correct, and we'll have names. We have date of birth, ID number. You can also have something called date created, okay? Then, since this is going to be table row, let's wrap this information inside the row, which is table header. Then you can have a table body. This is t head. So we have table body, and inside here, that's when we have now our for each. So I'll do at for each. I'm getting this minor error because I'm not following the information that it's supposed to be. So here I'll just say as data as item, and then I'll do table role. Then I'll just have table data, and I need again 4 of them. And the first one that I want is now to display the item, and we need full names. Here we do the same. We need item dob. Down here we need item id number. Perfect. And down here we need item created at. This should be very important to have this as that one. So we can now show our data as we enter it. So let me just do again a simple refresh. There you go. So you can just have this class table like that, and then we'll have our table showing up appropriately. Yeah, as you can see, right? So let me just add a small margin on top here. So I'll just do margin top 5 pixels and reload it again. And yeah, we have this information here now. So we can keep adding. So you can say we have also someone called Merido, the famous. And you have the date, and you can say it's also 1920. And it reloads, and we have Merido inserted there, right? This is basically all that you need to do first of all. Then we also need to add something small here. So I'll add another th, and this will be options. And interesting thing, we're going to have another td here, and we'll have edit. I'll show you how to do it. So we have edit, and we'll have delete, and this will be a link. So ahref edit. Again, we'll do the same here. Reload this page again. This time we have other options that we're also going to do in this video. So as you can see, you have edit and you have delete. So this is probably in the next video, and we'll proceed. So thank you for watching, and let's meet again.